Ever wondered how machine learning impacts our lives and how we could navigate safely around it? Picture this: from suggesting the next movie to watch, to powering autonomous vehicles, machine learning is a silent partner in our day-to-day routines. It's like a secret recipe that adds a dash of magic to our digital interactions, transforming them into personalized experiences. But as with any secret ingredient, it's not without its quirks and quandaries. However, as beneficial as it is, machine learning presents its own set of challenges. So, what is responsible machine learning? Well, think of it as a guidebook for creating and using machine learning algorithms in a way that is fair, accountable, transparent, and ethical. It's not just about developing smarter technology, it's about developing technology that respects us and our values. When we talk about fairness, we're referring to algorithms that don't discriminate based on race, gender, or any other characteristic. Accountability means that the outcomes of these algorithms can be explained, and those who create them can be held responsible for their impact. Transparency is about making sure that the workings of these algorithms are not a mystery, but something we can all understand. Lastly, ethical considerations mean ensuring that these technologies do not harm us or infringe on our rights. In essence, responsible machine learning is about ensuring that technology serves us without compromising our rights or safety. So, to summarize, machine learning is not just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary technology that's transforming our world, from the way we work to how we socialize. But as we embrace this new era, let's not forget the importance of responsibility. We must ensure that machine learning is fair, transparent, and safe to prevent misuse and protect everyone's rights. Remember, technology is a tool. It's up to us to use it responsibly and safely.